Artemis stands in a forest clearing, surrounded by the tranquil beauty of nature. She exudes strength, independence, and a fierce connection to the wilderness as she speaks. Listen, mortals, to the voice of the wild, to the essence of the untamed, to the spirit of Artemis, goddess of the hunt, and protector of the wilderness. Here, in the heart of nature's embrace, I stand as a symbol of freedom, strength, and unyielding resolve. In the silent deeps of the forest, I am the hunter. Swift of foot and keen of eye, stalking my prey with primal grace and precision. I am the embodiment of instinct. The guardian of the natural order. And the eternal companion of the creatures that roam this sacred land. But do not mistake my reverence for the wild as mere savagery or brutality. For within the untamed wilderness lies a beauty and harmony that transcends mortal understanding. It is a world where every creature, every plant, every stream is bound together in a delicate balance. A balance that must be preserved at all costs. As you stand before me, know that I am not just a huntress, but a protector, a nurturer, and a fierce advocate for the sanctity of life. I stand against those who would desecrate the land, who would exploit its resources without regard for the consequences. I stand for the creatures of the forest, the birds of the air and the beasts of the earth, for they are my kin, my companions, and my courage. So heed my words, mortals, and tread lightly upon the earth. Respect the sanctity of nature. Honor the cycle of life and death. And embrace the wildness that resides within your own soul. For in the heart of the wilderness you shall find the true essence of freedom, the boundless power of the untamed, and the eternal spirit of Artemis, ever watchful, ever vigilant and ever free.